Today we show you how to assemble the handlebar bracket PHB31850. If your package does not include the reflector, just skip the assembly steps of it. First, take the screw along with the corresponding washer and place the washer onto the screw. Now insert the screw into the handlebar bracket and place the plastic washer on the opposite side. Then screw everything into the designated thread on the lamp side. Use the appropriate tool and tighten it hand tight. Next, place the rubber pads into the mount. There are two different thicknesses available. Depending on the handlebar diameter, choose the right one for your setup. Now take the nut and insert it into the mount. Then insert the screw from the opposite side. If you're using the version without a reflector, the assembly is now complete. If your model includes a reflector, follow these steps. Take the reflector bracket and attach it using the countersunk screw. For this, use a Phillips screwdriver. Once the adapter is securely screwed in, simply slide the reflector into place.
Ensure that it is fully clicked in.
And that's it, you're done.
Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.